Ne varmış acaba bakalım.
Možda, nameri si to kjeti izbuj.
Da, već. Lele.
Аз не мога да разбера защо си купувате наведнъж. Дамян беше 5 токена беше загубила. 5 листа.
Cesa.
О, шеф си купил храп. Колко токена струва храп?
Hakikaten akşam göreceğiz de boşaldı. Yasak kaldı.
Ay ona bir bakalım mı ya hafta?
Hello people, welcome back to my channel, David and Reza, and you are all welcome. Guess what? Last week I had a chance to visit Croatia. This country is awesome. There are so many ruins to explore.
So we are on the top of this. The others. Oh, so scary.
History to be discovered.
This is not in Italy, guys. This is in Pula, Croatia.
And of course, the sea and nature.
I'm freezing right now. The weather is still cold.
I am here with other architecture students from European Architecture Students Assembly or EASA. So, this is Croatia vlog series. Take your seat and enjoy.
Başla.
Si vous voulez bien profiter de ta jeunesse pour bien vivre, entre toi et la vie.
Have I lost my mind? Taking the trouble of spending our time ruminating on rubble of what's already gone, already destroyed in the past. You don't know how love goes.
Yes. Our perfect time in on EASA.
Okay.
Favorite Russian speaker.
Yeah.
Julia.
Ooh, yay, clap. Well, what are we doing now? Is there any performance there, Julia?
Yes, of course, life is performance.
What performance? Performance. I couldn't say R. Performance.
You guys.
Okay, see you.
I love your eyeliner.
मी मुंबईची लेक इथे EASA मध्ये खूप प्रवेशात आली आहे. आर्किटेक्चरशी रिलेटेड असला तो डान्स आणि त्या वर्कशॉपमुळे माझ्या जो बदल घडला मला आठवतं पहिल्या दिवसाची मी आणि आता 10 दिवसानंतरची मी यात जमीन आसमानचा फरक आहे. आधी स्वतः
No, they really like it.
Yeah?
Hadi ya, orada mı dans ediyorlar? Bu da daha iyi.
which rocks gently on the back of an immense blue green tortuga. The tortuga's skin and feet are firmly placed on the tops of 7 bright mountains which arise from a vast and arid plain of drifting flooded yellow dust. And the plain is now mysteriously on the top of a small, thin, green acacia tree, which lures the sound of giant blood-red eyes. The color of the sky. And the ox's hooves are firmly placed on a single green.
Ah, thank you. Good team.
Baby, I know you know how to be a heartbreaker. You don't know how love goes.
Hello people, how are you today? So tonight it's 10 o'clock. This is the last night that I will live in this building. So sad. Many of my friends has been gone back to their countries or went to Italy, to Venice to visit the Vienna architectural exhibition there. As you can see, the place here is always full with the people, with the discussions, with the laugh, with the cry. And now there's no one here anymore. Yeah, time has come. Everyone's going. Actually tonight there will be a presentation. I think they are now in the presentation about the exhibitions that we met today. I will go there also, but today I need to transfer all of my documents to my computer because I'm still traveling throughout the Croatia until 8th of August. 3 days there, I'll go back to Istanbul. Yeah guys, it's so sad now. What is it telling about? Do you know?
I think you will be able to recognize if you go closer.
Oh, thank you for showing me this. It's really treasure.
I love how he did it himself, and it was only his inspiration, like of EASA, and he also, I know, I feel it's really, really good.
Yeah, it's so good. From who do you know that you discovered by yourself?
No, it was this guy who showed me.
Ah, you told me. Yeah, there's a guy. Okay then. So hello everyone. Good morning. So that was for today. After we are exhibiting our exhibitions, we went to the bar. There were some presentation about what we've done, about exhibitions, as well as we talking about the EASA, what we're passing through in the 2 weeks. And yeah, now I'm going back to the place where I live, and I'm preparing to go to Pula today at 11. Now it's at 5 in the morning. So I hope to see you again in the next time. So this is the view of Rijeka in the morning. Such a beautiful color. Yeah. And this building is what I will mostly miss for the whole of my life, even though it's not perfect building and the surface, but still sport dribble in the morning.
Hey people, you can hit the subscribe button to get more videos over there, and you can catch up with me through my website, blog, podcast and Instagram account over there. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.